In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize task statuses in ClickUp. First, make sure you're in the right place to make your changes. Open the space, folder, or list where you want to customize your statuses. ClickUp lets you have different status sets at each level, so it's important to land exactly where you want those changes to live. A quick tip: if multiple lists share the same process, consider setting statuses at the folder or space level to keep things consistent. Next, open the Statuses editor. Click the three dots next to the name of your space, folder, or list, then choose Task Statuses, List Statuses, or Edit Statuses depending on your version. This opens the status modal, which is where you'll design and manage your workflow. To add a new status, click Add Status. Give it a short, descriptive name that's clear to your team, like new, review, or blocked. Then pick a color that matches the intent. Many teams use green to signal done, yellow for in progress, and red for blocked. Keep names and colors meaningful so everyone can scan and understand the workflow quickly. Avoid adding too many statuses at once. Start simple and expand as needed. If you need to edit what's already there, click a status name to rename